Hello guys, Game Changers back again with a brand new video for you guys, how to get plus apps using the Siri shortcuts from the #1 website for tips and tricks on iOS devices. Hello guys, Game Changers back again with another video. I know it's been a while, but I did come back and I am showing off my friend's app. This is All I Talk Is Text app. He developed this completely himself. I say app, it is a website that you can add to your home screen. Link will be down in the description. Another thing guys, the Royal Earls will be no more. I am just going to be uploading upload now. I'm not in it to make money. I am currently in review to be monetized, which is a great thing for me because it is a bit of extra money for me and it will help me out a lot. As you can see, this is the website right here. It's got wallpapers, tips and tricks, banned apps and shortcuts. It's a great service. As you can see, a bunch of YouTubers have already made videos on it. I'm a little bit late to the scene, but I had to do this because it is absolutely amazing. As you can see, the actual shortcut that we're looking at today was found by Apple Tech Video. Props to him. Obviously, All I Talk Is Tech wanted to add it to the website. I don't blame him. It's an amazing tweak. It allows you to install plus apps onto your iPhone without any Siri or alternative being installed or jailbreak being needed. So this is probably one of the best shortcuts I have seen up to this point in time. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just looking through it all. You can archive it, which means you save it, or you can just download it straight away. You want to press on download, press get shortcut, open up in the shortcuts app. You are going to need the shortcuts app, and you will need to be on iOS 12 unfortunately guys, but obviously if you are, make the most of this app because it is amazing. There's also a lot of tips and other sections that you can go on your brain, focusing on the plus apps for today, because they are absolutely amazing. As you can see, there's system tweaks and there's respring and reset, which also gets some of the system tweaks to work. But we'll just have a quick look at the introduction. iTweak is a free non-jailbreak option. The shortcuts like Siri plus apps are available. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot to read here. I would recommend reading that before you actually done this and go through messing about with it. But as you can see, I'm just going on to the plus apps now. Here we go guys, all the main ones that everyone's always looking for. I'm guessing it will be updated and some will be taken off and some will be replaced, and they will constantly be updated to the newer ones as far as I know. As you can see here, there is a way to get more, but this does include you installing one of the actual Siri alternatives. But obviously, if you just tap on the ones that are on there, it will bring up the prompt straight away for you to install that app instead. As you can see, I'm showing you another way to get into your shortcuts here. Let's do Instagram plus. We'll go off here. There's the prompt, just popped up. Press install. Give it a few seconds to show up on the home screen, and there we are. Now I'm just going to leave this installed guys, just to prove that it does work. Also, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like. I am highly appreciative of all the support I've been getting recently. And don't worry guys, the Apple ID will be getting unlocked, but it will have a new password soon because there are other devices still signed into the Apple ID. If this does carry on though, I will be stopping that because it is getting into a bit of a headache for me having to constantly be changing the details because of people constantly signing in, and also unlocking the app because of people constantly trying to change the details. Okay, we're nearly there. Come on. Sometimes the apps do take their time to install. My internet's currently running a bit slow. I have been having problems with it the past couple of days, which is why I haven't been very active on YouTube, but I will be coming back guys. It should install about now. So yeah, as you can see, it works. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.